There is no clear mention of artificial intelligence or machine learning in ancient scriptures, classical philosophy, or prophetic traditions in the modern technical sense we use today. AI is a modern scientific field that emerged mainly in the 20th century through mathematics, logic, computer science, and neuroscience. However, many religions, philosophers, and wise thinkers discussed ideas that resemble some themes connected to AI, creating artificial beings, human-like intelligence, automation, the limits of human knowledge, and the ethical dangers of powerful inventions. Here are some important examples from history, philosophy, and religions. Ancient Greek philosophy and myths. Talos, the artificial guardian. In Greek mythology, Talos was a giant bronze man created to protect Crete. He acted almost like an ancient robot or automated defense system. This is one of the earliest stories resembling the idea of artificial beings. Aristotle and logic. Aristotle developed formal logic systems around 2,300 years ago. Modern computer science and AI reasoning systems are partly built on logical principles similar to those foundations. Islamic scholars and traditions. Islamic texts do not directly mention AI or machine learning, but several ideas relate indirectly. Human knowledge and creation. The Quran repeatedly emphasizes that Allah gave humans intelligence, reasoning, and the ability to learn, and He taught Adam the names of all things. Some modern thinkers connect this verse symbolically with humanity's ability to classify, understand, and build knowledge systems. Warnings about power without wisdom. Islamic teachings strongly warn against knowledge without ethics. For example, knowledge used for corruption, arrogance due to technological power, imitation of divine authority, and loss of morality. These themes are often discussed today in AI ethics debates. Al-Jazari, a famous Muslim engineer who built programmable mechanical devices and automated machines centuries before modern computers. Some people call him an early pioneer of robotics and automation. Jewish traditions, the Golem. In Jewish folklore, the Golem was an artificial humanoid created from clay and brought to life through sacred words. This story is often compared to AI because it explores humans creating intelligent servants, unintended consequences, and creations becoming dangerous. Hindu texts and ancient Indian thought. Some ancient Indian epics describe mechanical flying vehicles, vimanas, intelligent weapons, automated beings, and advanced knowledge systems. Most historians view these symbolically or mythologically, not as evidence of modern technology. Christian thought. The Bible does not mention AI directly, but themes appear that modern thinkers connect with advanced technology. Tower of Babel. Humans attempting to reach godlike power through collective ambition. Some scholars compare this symbolically to fears about uncontrolled technological advancement. Image of the beast. Certain modern interpretations speculate about advanced systems controlling society, though linking this directly to AI is highly speculative and controversial. Philosophers who predicted AI-like ideas. René Descartes, 1600, suggested animals might function like complex machines. Thomas Hobbes described reasoning as a form of calculation. Ada Lovelace, 1800, predicted machines might one day compose music or create art. Alan Turing, 1900, one of the founders of AI theory, proposed that machines could imitate human conversation and reasoning. Nikola Tesla's predictions. Tesla predicted intelligent automated machines, wireless communication networks, autonomous systems, and machine-controlled warfare. Some of his statements sound surprisingly close to modern robotics and AI. Modern concerns resembling ancient warnings. Many old traditions warn about humans becoming arrogant through knowledge, creating things they cannot control, replacing morality with power, and losing human identity. These concerns now appear in debates about superintelligent AI, autonomous weapons, deepfakes, surveillance, and human dependence on machines. Important distinction. There are two different approaches people take: historical/academic view. Most historians and scholars say ancient texts did not literally predict AI, Modern people often reinterpret old passages after technology appears. Symbolic/spiritual view. Others believe ancient wisdom described patterns of human behavior, and those patterns can apply to modern AI development. Final thought. Ancient prophets, philosophers, and wise thinkers did not describe machine learning algorithms, neural networks, or modern AI systems directly. But many of them discuss themes that strongly relate to today's AI questions. What happens when humans create powerful tools? Can intelligence exist without wisdom? Should every possible invention be built? What are the moral limits of knowledge? Can humans lose control of their own creations? Those questions are now central to AI discussions worldwide.